I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I put the milk on the table. I put the milk on the table. I take a cup. I take a cup. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I drink the milk. I drink the milk. I wash a tomato. I wash a tomato. I cut the tomato. I put the tomato on a plate. I put the tomato on a plate. I take some bread. I take some bread. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I spread butter on the bread. I spread butter on the bread. I make a sandwich. I make a sandwich. I put the sandwich on a plate. I put the sandwich on a plate. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I add some oil. I add some oil. I fry an egg. I fry an egg. I flip the egg. I flip the egg. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I open the cabinet. I open the cabinet. I take a bowl. I take a bowl. I put the bowl on the table. I put the bowl on the table. I put rice into the bowl. I put rice into the bowl. I wash the pan. I wash the pan. I rinse the spoon. I rinse the spoon. I dry the plate. I dry the plate. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I wipe the counter. I wipe the counter. I leave the kitchen. I leave the kitchen.